Hey guys, Sydney here from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Today we have this 2014 E-Class. This is just an incredible sedan that we just got here at the dealership, and it is just beautiful. I can't even begin to explain how well conditioned this car was taken care of. Now this car also only has a little over 50,000 miles on it, and it is just in incredible condition. It also has this really nice paint line that goes all the way down the car too. So that goes on both sides of it. I'll show you guys the trunk space back here. There's plenty of room in the trunk. And we have this little compartment down here as well. So when you lift that up, look at that. We still got the donut under here too. There's also a little area too on the trunk. I'll show you this real quick. This is excellent, especially if you are on a business trip, you want something for this to hold and you don't want your stuff to fly around in the back. You can put a laptop in here, or if you put it all the way down, you can fit something really big in this storage bin and don't have to worry about it flying throughout the whole trunk. This car is also a keyless entry too, which is great. It's push to start, has powered seats, has heated seats, has this really nice shade that goes up in the back. I just really cannot even believe how much this car has to offer. This is just such a great deal. And again, 51,000 miles on this car. Has navigation, has a backup camera. So much this has to offer. It is just crazy. Now, let me just navigate some of the stuff on here a little bit too. This is how you use the navigation, is the dial right down here. And you can use the little shortcuts up here as well too, to go to everything that you need. You can turn that off. You can turn it back on. This car also has a CD player too. Has a few different drive modes right down here. So it's got an eco and a sport mode if you want that little extra acceleration. And then you can just use your volume right here as well. So that's just a little bit of this car. This just has so much stuff to offer in it. Your e-brake is right here as well. So you got a couple different parking brakes right there. And I'll give you a glance at the back seats. So if I go down here in the back, comes with the leather mats. And I open up this. There's also a 12-volt charger for the people in the back as well. Again, I just want you guys to see how clean this car is. It is, you're not going to find another 2014 as clean as this car. So it's just a little bit of this 2014 E-Class that we have available at the dealership. This is just such an excellent deal on this car. This is something you don't want to miss, so come and check it out.